Hey guys, it's Wild Slimes, and today I'm going to be showing you all the slimes in my restock that's happening tomorrow at noon EST. As usual, there will be a restock with me tomorrow morning, so let's get started. So there's 3 slimes, and this first one is called the Lemon Pound Cake. It's a Floam and it's so crunchy. This is definitely one of my favorites. It's packed with foam beads. It has rainbow foam beads, and it also has citrus fruit, emo slices like orange, lemon, lime, etc. Grapefruit, and also, let me just say this scent is so amazing. The scent is like lemon cookie mixed with buttercream, and it just smells amazing. So yeah, definitely go get this. Remember tomorrow at noon. And also, I just want to say that most of the slimes are 8-ounce slimes for $6. So this next one is called Strawberry Shortcake, and it's a really nice swirled cloud cream butter slime hybrid. It's so fun to mix, and it's scented like, I'd say, like the name, but with a touch of like cinnamon. I know, a little weird, but it smells so amazing. And this puffs up so much, it inflates, and I just love this slime so much. So this one will come in 8-ounce and 6-ounce sizes, so you'll be able to choose on the shop. And oh my gosh, this is so sizzly, which you'll see. But I definitely recommend this one. They're all my favorites. So this one is called Jelly Donut DIY Kit. It comes with this clay donut that is wrapped actually in saran wrap so it doesn't dry out, and this mini little glaze slime, and then depending on what size you choose, it'll come with an 8-ounce or 6-ounce thick slime. This is so cute and so fun to mix. I haven't done many DIY clay slimes in my shop, so yeah, I don't know if I forgot to say, but this will actually be my last restock ever. I might add like a few slimes to my shop, but not like any like multiple slime restock. So yeah, that's kind of sad, but it really is time for me to kind of be less serious in stocking my shop all the time because, as you know, slime is less popular anymore, or now. So yeah, but these slimes are amazing. Probably the best slimes I've ever made, besides the ones that are in my shop, because those also pretty nice, but these are like amazing. I'm so happy that I can end my shop with a bang. Well, not really end it, but like, you know what I mean. There will also be much more quantities of all these slimes so that they will be stocked for a while. And I will also be restocking some old slimes, which you can see in my last video. Not all of them are coming back, but a lot of them. And they're actually being stocked before these 3 slimes. Or, no, actually 4 slimes. But yeah, they will be in stock. This one is called Breaking My Heart, but it's actually Baking My Heart. Get the joke? Haha, I'm so funny. This is a butter snow fizz. So basically, the pink part is a snow fizz, and the black part is a Floam snow fizz and butter slime at the same time. So it's really nice and interesting. This is 2-layered, and although I didn't get a clip of like me mixing it, here's a little 2 ounce of it that I was able to mix. I just actually have less quantity of this one because, you know, I didn't want to add too much of this to my shop. So yeah, this one might run out pretty quick. It's scented like candy and it's so nice. So yeah, definitely go get this one at 12 o'clock noon tomorrow. So this next one is called Sunshine, Lollipops, and Rainbows. This was in my last restock, so it's one of the slimes I was talking about earlier. But this one is a 3-toned Icee slime scented like bubblegum, and this will actually be much more of a dark blue color, or a light blue color, when you mix it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you snatch these slimes at noon tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow also for a restock with me. Bye.